Welcome to Linux Help, how to use case statements on Bash script in Oracle Linux 9.4. The fundamental syntax of the case, esac statement involves providing an expression to evaluate and executing various statements based on the value of that expression. The interpreter assesses each case in relation to the expression's value until a match is identified. If no matches are found, a default condition will be applied. Check the OS version. Create the script file. Give the choice to the user. Stored the choice in color variable. Now the case statement starts. Display the outputs depend upon the choices. If we choose the option which is not in the above option, it go to the invalid section. Finally close the case statement by using esac. The double semicolon in each line is more important, then only, it works. Change the permissions to executable. Now run the script. All the conditions working fine. Now create the another script. In this case, store the input from the user, and check the input matches any of the name, then it will show something. Otherwise it will show another thing. Change the permissions and run the script. All are working fine. These are some examples of case statement in Bash script. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.